Morning YouTube. So what I've got here is two blocks that I've milled a relief on, and they're going to sit up against there like that. So I'm going to drill one side 8mm down, one side 8mm to take the pin, so this will be a blind hole. Excuse things falling over. So it'll sit something like that, and that'll be two pull downs somewhere, I don't know, somewhere there-ish, and they'll clamp centrally, and I haven't decided whether I need two for the front yet and two for the back, but for now we're going for two for the middle. At least then I can then properly machine and tram it. Yeah, so I'm now going to measure from the base to the centre of the hole, which I'll then mark out on here, and we'll be somewhere there. Right, I scribed out where I wanted the pin to go. I put a centre drill in, we've centred it, and yeah, I'm now going to swap over and drill it. So I'll get that in the chuck, and then get that drill. Right, I'll fast forward through that when I put it on, or double it, whatever, but I've got some belt slippage issues, which is to be expected because it's the original belt that's on it by the looks of things. Same as the problem I was having with my lathe, but not to worry. I think that's deep enough. So yeah, we'll swap out for a reamer and we'll give it a ream. Or I will not, as one cannot get to the reamer in. Bugger. Right, so I've got the reamer in, and we're going to go for a ream.
Like, you know, there'll be some... So I miss that. So that to me feels like hanging out, right? Like sitting there and going over the things that you made with somebody, talking through a problem. Or someone comes through, oh yeah, let me show you this thing I've been needing to, oh, take this thing, you can, you know, work on this. Yeah. I don't think that was actual answer to your question. No, that was. Yeah.
Gonna sit against the side like that with the pin lining up.
It's very true. So sometimes I'll make
That's the plan.
So egregious.
Well, To say I'm over the moon the least is an understatement. I have now got 2 pin clamps, and yeah, as a first small milling project, I'm quite happy. All the faces weren't faced because it was just square stock. I had an offcut of, and I was trying to be as efficient as possible without having a proper setup. So just as an example, the vice is mounted. I've got one on the centre rail, one on the back in the T slot. Obviously, yeah. So I'm just waiting for a dart to arrive in the post, and then I'll clock the back jaw in, and yeah, can't really do much more till then. So that is 2 vice clamps, and if anyone's got any better suggestions, I would be happy to hear them. I'm sort of thinking move this one back and then build 2 for the front that locate up here and bolt here. So then I'll have 2 at the front, 2 at the back, but as it is a way to mount the vice at the minute, which I didn't have before, so there we go. Ta-da.